fucking hood's good. And if you're lucky enough, you crash hard enough, you get free curtains that come with your car. So the sun doesn't get in your eyes. This motherfucking dump truck, man, keeps doing like 20 miles an hour and motherfucking 50. Getting pissed. Slow my ass down. So I can go touch her. Niggas trying to copy me and play just a talk. I might pull up in a ghost coach. All y'all people that are in relationships and shit, y'all need to relax. Blowing out fucking windows. Ripping motherfuckers' roof apart. Breaking windows and shit, glass all over the motherfucking place. Broke out a back window. Shit! At least just dumped the motherfucker in the fucking water or something. Damn, y'all so violent. Hear that? The motherfucking transmission's out. Now I gotta spin the bitch around. So I'm going down the road, getting ready to hit the highway. And then I realized I'm gonna need some fucking dollies. Because that motherfucker was snapped off. Getting ready to lose a tire at 70 miles an hour on a fucking 91. Best feeling ever. So me and my old lady, we work full-time jobs, so once in a blue moon, I like to surprise them with a little bit of dinner instead of cooking. Well, I have a choice between KFC and Taco Bell, and I'm definitely not getting Taco Bell because I'm not trying to shit my goddamn brains out, having lava ass all night, crying and praying to the porcelain god. Why the fuck did I eat that 5-layer burrito?